How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm gonna give you the best Apple Watch games of 2020 so far. So by now you probably already know that there are some amazing games for the Apple Watch, but trust me, in this video you're gonna see the best. So let's go ahead and begin. Okay guys, so this is how it's gonna work. First, I'm gonna show the games, play the games, demonstrate and everything like that. And then at the end of the video, I'm gonna teach you how to install those games on the Apple Watch because the process may differ from one app to the other. Not everyone knows how to do that. So make sure to stick to the end of the video to learn everything, okay? So let's just begin. And the first game I'm gonna show you is called Arcadia. I just love this because it's not one game, it's actually a ton of games. Actually, we have 9 games in one, so this is super cool and they are all arcade style. So it takes back all those memories of like our childhood and simple consoles that we had, like Nintendo and things like that. So it's just truly amazing. So I'm just gonna play them like straight, so there's not a lot to explain, so I'm just gonna go very fast. And the coolest thing is it has audio. So I'm just gonna enable that, so force touch. So, as you guys can see, there's audio, there are effects and everything. So let's begin. So, as you guys can see, one of the coolest things about those games, about the games in Arcadia, is that they are all played with the digital crown. So you only need the digital crown to play, so you actually don't have to put your finger on top of the screen, which is something that is truly annoying on such a small screen. So having the games being playable just with the digital crown is just so smart. I just love that about Arcadia games. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you that. So let's continue. Okay, guys, so enough with Arcadia. As you guys could see, it's just so complete. There's so many games. It's just amazing. But now let's keep going because we have more games. So Arcadia is one, but it's actually nine. That's why I had to make it so fast because otherwise there would be no time to show you the other games. Okay. After Arcadia, we're gonna go to Gravity Waves. I just love this game as well. I was playing it. That's why it just started. Okay, let's just play it again. So okay and tap to respond. So as you guys can see, it's just like astronaut, and then he's trying. You just have to avoid the asteroids, as you guys can see, and get those stars to just get more points, and that's pretty much it. Okay, but I really love this game. Those games are pretty addictive because, of course, they have extra powers. It also has volume. It has sound as well. So I really like that. So then, of course, you can explore a little bit more. Yeah, it has so much. It has better graphics, as you guys can see. The graphics are not so arcade as Arcadia, as the name suggests. Is more realistic in a way. As you guys can see, you see the constellations, the stars. The graphics are pretty cool. The animations are better. It is a more refined game, if you ask me. But if it's more fun or not is up to you. Actually, you have to decide that. And last but not least, let's talk about the last game that we have right here, which of course is called Fast Colors. The point of the game, of course, is to tap on the color that it says. So dark gray, cyan, green, but it's always trying to, as you guys just saw, it's always trying to trick you. So purple, yellow, but then sometimes you see like yellow, cyan with a red font. So that's where you get confused, as you guys just saw it right there. If we're playing this like concentrated, it's pretty easy. But if we're doing this, recording a video and explaining and reviewing it is a little bit more complicated. Of course, over the time, it's gonna get faster and more complicated, and is always gonna try to trick you all the time. Trust me, I'm not that bad at this game. I actually went through like 50 stages or something like that, but right now it's just not working. Okay, guys, so those are the games. Okay, it is actually three games, but it's actually 11 because of Arcadia being so complete. And now, as I promised, I'm gonna show you how to install them. It's super easy, actually. Arcadia is gonna be installed from your iPhone, so I'm gonna show you in a second. But Fast Colors and Gravity Wave is gonna have to be installed via the Apple Watch itself, so via the App Store. So you're gonna have to tap on the App Store right there. Okay, let me just go back to the first screen. That's the first screen you're gonna get, and then tap on Search. And then you're either going to go on dictation or scribble. So then dictation is just going to say the name, is going to look for you. Scribble, you actually have to do like that, for example. You can go in and go for astronaut. It also recognizes for gravity waves. Okay, so astronaut. It doesn't matter if it's capital or not. So done. And as you guys can see, it's going to look for is going to be the second option right there. So gravity waves. So that's it. Same story with Fast Colors. You just tap Fast Space Colors, and then it's going to appear here as well. It's going to pop up here. You just hit install, and it's going to install automatically. Now, regarding Arcadia, you actually have two options. You can either go again here to the App Store, as I just showed you, and then look for Arcadia, just like the other two apps, and then it's going to download straight to your Apple Watch. Same story. Or you can actually go on your iPhone and then look for Arcadia on the iPhone App Store. Okay, so then it's going to download Arcadia for your Apple Watch and for your iPhone as well. So you can play those awesome mini games on your iPhone as well. So let me show you. I'm just going to get my iPhone right here. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna have Arcadia right there as well, and that's because I downloaded straight from my iPhone, so then I can play those mini games right here as well. So that's pretty cool. So I can just play them just like we played on the Apple Watch. So that's very, very nice. Okay, so that's up to you. Let me just cancel that game center. So that's up to you how you want to download it, but it works on both ways. Okay, by the way, if you like my iPhone case right here, it's from a company called Lot. I have partnered with them before. They make some awesome iPhone cases, as you guys can see right here. This one, super protective, super sturdy, protects the front, the back, the sides, everything. Has those amazing colors. I just love those cases. They have accessories for iPhone, for Apple Watch as well, for iPad, for anything you want. So if you want to check it out, okay, this case from Lot. Of course, I'm gonna have a link in the description down below, so just make sure to go ahead and check them out. So that's pretty much it for this video. As you guys can see, I showed you the best Apple Watch games of 2020 by now, and of course this list is gonna be always updated. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button down below. Also, hit the comment box and tell me what you thought. Give me your feedback, please. I just love reading all your thoughts. And also, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. You can click on my face on this bubble you're seeing right there as well. And then tap on subscribe and then the bell icon so you're notified whenever I post a new video. So that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in a couple days. Bye-bye.